Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you how to fix the Canon error code 214021. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So if you're having this issue, there are going to be a few things that you can do here to probably solve this specific issue. So first is you want to check your scanner cover. So what you need to do is you need to open the scanner cover if you have any scanner on it, and you want to make sure that you close it firmly and also make sure it clicks into place. And also, what you need to do is you need to stop your printing. Now, in this case, you could go and click on the stop option here, but it is recommended that you go into your computer and stop any processes of your printer. Which in this case, make sure to stop any pending or queued processes. That includes documents that you are ready to print. Now, also, another thing that you could do here is you want to go ahead and perform a factory reset. So what you need to do is you first need to turn off your printer, unplug it from the power source, and wait for about like 30 seconds. Now, you want to go ahead and plug it back on to power it on. Then while powering it back on, press and hold the resume button for about 15 seconds. Now, usually you should be able to see it in your actual printer. Now, depending on your model, you might have the same button or a different button. So usually for some models, it's going to be this button. So it's going to be the stop or resume button. So go ahead and click or press on it. Now, once you press that, you want to go ahead and release the button. So the printer will reset, and it's now, or in this case, the ready light will stop blinking once the reset is complete. Now, another thing you might want to do here is you want to update or reinstall your printer driver. So, in this case, you want to go and visit the official Canon website, download and install the latest driver for your specific printer model. And also, if you suspect your driver is corrupt, uninstall the current one before reinstalling the latest version. And another thing you could do here is you might want to check your network and firewall settings. Now, also, you might want to change your cartridge if possible. So in this case, also make sure, like for example, your printer here is near, like for example, if you're using it via Wi-Fi for some devices, you can actually connect your printer via Wi-Fi. So make sure your printer is not far enough. So make sure it is within the signal of your Wi-Fi so that they'll be able to connect to your network and you will not have this issue. Now for the firewall settings here, just make sure that you allow your printer to access your network. So typically speaking, I would suggest you to check your PC's settings. So currently I'm my PC. You could go ahead and go to the bottom left here, just type in firewall, and you want to go ahead and click on allow app through Windows firewall. And what you need to do here is you want to look for the driver for your printer. So in this case, it should be in here if you've installed it. So you could go ahead and search for it. But in any case, you want to make sure that you click on change settings here at the top right, and you want to make sure that you allow this both in private and public connection. But in this case, once you've done that, you could go ahead and click on OK to save your changes, and from then on, see if that solves the issue. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.